Hello everyone. In today's video, I will talk about the writing skill. And this video I am preparing based on the demand, based on the views given by some of the viewers and some students. And the topic is how to improve writing skill. So this topic can be useful for the student of sociology, for the beginning, for the beginner writers in the sociology and other social science disciplines. It's not just for it's not just for the students. It can also be helpful for the researcher or scholars or who are the beginners in the social science discipline. So I hope this video may help them or help all of you. So keep connected. Let's begin then. So first and foremost important thing of writing is grammar, that we all know. The thing is that here you don't need to memorize the grammar. You don't need to means the memorize the all technical structure of the language called grammar. No, you have to impart the grammar through the practice of writing. That is, the moment or when you practice the writing, automatically grammar will impart in your writing. Automatically you will follow where you are going wrong or whether you are writing correct or not. But the practice of writing involves reading also. Practice of writing is incomplete without reading. You have to read. Reading may be the reading of book, reading of newspaper, reading of journals, reading of the news, the what to say, the magazines, and whatever piece you get to read, you have to read. And reading not just for reading purpose, reading for getting, reading for understanding, reading for learning something, for acquiring something. And reading is the foremost for the practice of writing. So reading and practice of writing have to go simultaneously. And another part of the practice of writing is your observation in a daily life, in your everyday life. What you observe, different situations you observe in your daily life, in your journey, maybe from one place to another place, through a bus, through train, through flight, or whatever situation you encounter in everyday life, you can express this in the writing. So this is how you can practice writing, and through practice writing only you can impart good grammar. Grammar cannot be memorized and cannot be directly imparted in your writing and make it a correct perfect English. No, you cannot do it. Any grammar, through practice only you can impart. Second important technique I will suggest is the articulation. Your articulation has to be very well expressed and attractive. Now, how do I define articulation? Articulation here means the design of your writing. So design of your writing involves the insightful thought in the sentence, in the writing, your knowledge, your awareness about the situation, and your use of correct word in correct place, correct term in correct place. This is called articulation. So whatever thought you have in mind, whatever idea you have in mind, you must have to express it in a well defined way through using some good words, attractive phrases, attractive terms. For good articulation, there is a condition: the knowledge, analytical ability, and the practice of analysis, or we can say the acquiring or making of thought. So first you have to acquire the knowledge, or you have to practice the knowledge You have to earn the knowledge about any of the thing, any reality, any phenomena, any situation. You must have the analytical ability. You must have to be able to analyze it from your own point of view. You must you must be able to practice it, or in the sense that you must have to be able to use it through your mind and making it a thought of your own. Once you are able to do this, you can articulate very well. You can articulate very attractive the thought. Sometimes what happens, people may have very good thought, very good knowledge about anything, but they don't able to write, or they don't able to articulate properly. This is not about knowledge, this is not about the thought. There is a problem in the organization of thought. There is problem in the organization of the knowledge. Person may have various informations, but these informations cannot connect in the mind. Person is not conscious or aware about what he or she knows, or how these things connect with each other. And person has no thought of his or her own, or no analytical ability. Just the collection of some informations does not make it a knowledge or analytical thought or practice of thought. It has to be a combined practice, and ultimately you can make it a good articulated writing. Third technique here I will mention is the relevance of your writing to the topic. Any topic over which you want to write, you have to keep in mind that whatever you are writing, it has to be relevant to the topic concerned. So what you want to write has to be relevant to the topic concerned. And making your writing organized one. There is even a layman, even who don't know anything about this topic, must able to understand just by starting reading it. So it is possible only if you make your writing very relevant, very relevant to your topic. Your start should be with the topic concerned. You should not start from anything else outside of the topic. No, you can discuss it inside or in the body of body of your writing. But if the topic is this, suppose if the topic is about the COVID-19, so your starting should be with COVID-19 pandemic. It should not be with any other health situation or health problem or anything else. No. So it has to be relevant, it has to be very related to the topic. So then only it will be to the point. Then last technique I will suggest is the avoidance of general statements. There is certain general statements, certain generals, these sayings that spreads, that avoidance through social media, through the general interaction among the people in the society, in the common places, in the public places. So whenever you write anything, because you are from a particular professional social science background, so whenever you write anything, you must use certain technical, subject specific technical terms, words, phrases to express it, to express what you want to know. Your writing should be different from those who are just general people, who are just a general mass, who have something, who knows something, or who has some ideas about it. But you are different because you belongs to a particular social science subject or sociology. You have a specific methodology of understanding and writing. So you must use certain technical terms, technical words, phrases, and this how you learn. This you can learn once you study, read the books, of the particular subject, analyze it, thinks, makes the thought, then only you will be able to use such technical terms and phrases to express your thought. So I hope these suggestions, these techniques will help you, and you can put your comment if you have any things to say. If you have any doubt or any more things to know, you can let me know through commenting your views on the comment box. And thank you for watching.